When you become a content creator, you do not need to be an LLC. Let me explain this in the easiest, simplest terms for you to understand, because I fully understand that this can be very confusing. And if you're wondering why you should listen to me, I have been doing this with content creators for years. I am a monetization coach. I teach you how to figure out how to run your business. The first kind of level of business is being a sole proprietor. That is where your business is you. So you're not necessarily a separate entity from your business, like social mate would be Kristen. Now, in this situation, the most important thing to know is that if you ever got sued as a sole proprietor, they are suing you as a person. So if you have a house in your name or a car in your name, all the money in your bank, that's fair game. When you first become a content creator, I don't think it's the worst thing ever to just be a sole proprietor to get started. I was a sole proprietor for years until one day my accountant was like, Kristen, you should become an LLC. You know, like, you're becoming a legit business here. You're making enough money. You want to protect yourself. So that point, after maybe 2-3 years of being a sole proprietor, is when I became an LLC. There are fees associated with being an LLC that you do have to pay every year. They're different in different states. So it's more expensive to be an LLC than it is a sole proprietor, but you have so much more protection. For example, as a sole proprietor, you can get business insurance that can help to insure and protect your business. However, as an LLC, you are a completely separate entity from your personal self. So for example, if I got sued now because I'm an LLC, you can only take anything that's in the social mate's name, not my house and my car that's in my personal name. Moral of the story, if a brand is asking for your business info, depending on what exactly they're asking, they're probably going to want to know your business name. That could just be your sole proprietor name. It doesn't have to be an LLC.